Nigerians have woken up to their responsibilities as protests are broken out in different states, in different cities in Nigeria. And protesters rain curses on Tinubu, Sheyi, and Remi Tinubu. Koni Dafo, and no go better for them. Well, let's see Nigerians do what they know how to do best. Thank God for APC for bringing Nigerians out to the streets. It's time for them to feel the wrath of the people. Let's go there.
Bandits, ìkà níyí, a máa sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan, ó ti sú wa, àbẹ̀rù yín mọ́, bandits la máa gé wa, àwọn ọmọ kékèké nínú igbó, ayé yín máa bàjẹ́ ni, ẹ̀yin ṣọ́ríire, Tinubu kò ní dáa fún ẹ, ó máa ṣọ́rí burúkú ni, Rẹ̀mí Tinubu, ó ní mọ̀ sí mi, wèrè ẹ̀yà tó lọ sójú ìjọba, ọ̀nà ni ojú níbẹ̀, kò ní dáa fún ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí Tinubu, ó ní sí mi, ó ní mọ̀ sí mi, àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wà nùgbọ́, àwọn ọmọ tá ti bí ọ máa pa wọn ìdí tá ti bí ọ máa pa wọn lọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn mọ́ kò sọ mi kò sí títì kò sọ mi epo sí wọn ẹsìn pa wọn lọ́mọ àwọn tí wọn wà àdúgbò ọmọ ọmọ wà àdúgbò pa mí lẹ́yìn pa mí lẹ́yìn ó ti kú
Interesting, right? Nigerians, that is more like it. That is more like it. These people have taken us as fools for far too long. Somehow they believe we cannot do anything. And now they are beginning to shit and pee in their panties. We're seeing a lot of them come out to apologize, beg Nigeria to forgive Bola Ahmed Tinubu and vote for them again, including our so-called Minister of Defense. Army Chief turned Minister of Defense, joining them in this foolish shenanigan. But Nigerians have woken up and they are saying never again. Kudos to you guys. Interesting days ahead. Let's have your thoughts rolling in the comment section. See you around. Peace.